Today in your phonics mini lesson, you discussed about words that have a literal meaning and words that have a figurative meaning. You looked at the word bug in two different sentences. The first sentence said, I watched a bug crawl onto a stick. That sentence means like a bug, like the actual insect. The other sentence you looked at was, my brother started to bug me, asking the same question over and over. In that sentence, the word bug means to annoy. Today, you are going to choose a word from up here, either cold, puzzle, beast, heart, or bright. And you are going to use the word in a sentence using the literal meaning and type it right here. And you're going to use that same word and talk about its figurative meaning. So for example, the word stream, I have it over here. Fish swim in the stream. That's kind of like a little brook. Where here, a stream of cars came down the road, meaning a lot of cars, one in front of the other, came down the road. And on a separate sheet of paper in your writing journal, you should draw a picture for each of the words you choose.